Hey everyone, Adil here, and here we go with a new video. And this one is about the three mistakes that Shopify dropshipping noobs makes. Noobs, beginner, people who are just jumping into that, and I see some patterns repeating most of the time. So I want to address that on this video. And the first thing is they start with a niche store, and this is the worst thing that you can do when you are just starting, because you're not when you start with a niche store, you can't test many products. You are limited. Let's say that you have a niche store for selling sunglasses, so it's called sunglasses from paradise.com, something like that. You can't you can't sell anything else. If you want to sell, I don't know, phone cases, you can't do it. If you want to sell home decoration stuff, you can't. You are limited. So if like for the sunglasses it doesn't work for you, you'll have to close the store and start over all the process. Instead of that, I might recommend starting with a general store with a very broad name, like something really broad where you can sell either shoes, TVs, cars, whatever. Something really, really broad, like, I don't know, uh, Coco Boutique, some stuff like Coco Store, some stuff like that, where you can sell anything with no limitation, and you can test as much product in various fields and in various categories until you find what's working best for you. All right, error number two is that people sometimes what they do is that they go to AliExpress and they get like the description as it is, the product name as it is, and they put that on their store and they expect having sales, or they complain why I'm not getting sales. You won't get any fucking sales because the description on AliExpress is full of mistakes first. Like, it's full of mistakes, and it's not really that developable. It's like some shit description. It's not something that's gonna sell your products. And if you don't have like a landing page where the traffic that you are sending from Facebook go to the landing page of the product, and like everything looks nice and the description looks nice and everything, you won't make sales. Like, your conversion rates will be low. And not only that, but if you take, for example, the name that they have on AliExpress, and you put it as it is, first it's unsexy. The name that they have on AliExpress, let's say phone case, it's gonna be phone case, black, yellow, amazing, crazy, golden unicorn shit. Man, doesn't make any sense. So don't take the names of the product as they are on AliExpress. And not only that, but people can copy paste the name on Google, and they for to look for the product that you are selling, and they find it on AliExpress and it's way cheaper. Let's say you sell it for 20, they will find it for $5 or something. So this is something to avoid. Make some effort in putting some nice name for your product, and a name that people, if they look on Google, they won't find like similar product very quickly, because they just Google the name and find something like the same product and way cheaper. They won't buy from you. And many people have this reflex to grab the name and look for it on Google. The third pattern and mistake that I notice the beginners making most of the time is like they underestimate product research, while product research is everything in this business, because it's all about having the right products, then putting it in front of the right audience. But if you don't have the right products, like, whatever you do, it won't work. And what many people do is like they just go to AliExpress and look for some product that are selling a lot or something like that, and they put that on their store. Or they see a product that they've seen on some ads on Facebook and that they've seen on some other stores, and they put that. Thing is, first thing, you can find a product with hundreds of like with thousands of comments and likes and stuff, but it's an outdated product. You have to keep in mind that products have a lifespan, and most of the products are between 3 to 6 months, and then they start dying. Then you start getting the purchase very expensive. So, so product research, I think it's something really, really vital. And I have a video about this, so you can check on the videos. I link it on this video. You can check it about the process you go through for product research. Or if you feel like lazy and you don't want to do your homework, go and grab some tools like Dropship Spy. And every day for $20 you have every day a new product with the targeting, with all this cool stuff. I will link this also below this video. But just don't go and grab some product that you see in here and there and there. Product research, for me personally, when I do this manually, it can take for me like hours and hours or days, just to validate the product, make sure it's something worth testing and stuff like that. Otherwise, you'll be just throwing some shit products and spending shitload of money on the marketing and losing money and saying, oh, this shit doesn't work. It's not that it doesn't work, it's that you are not doing it right. So I hope that you guys found this video useful. If it is the case, please thumb up. And in case you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and to tick the little bell button so you get notification whenever I'm publishing some new stuff, and many cool content is on the way. See you on the next one. Cheers.